In this video, I'll guide you through how to request money on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a payment link, choose how the money will be sent, and confirm everything so the transfer can go through smoothly. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Wise website by typing the Wise address into the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're on the official site and then log into your account if you're not signed in already. It's always a good idea to double check that you see the secure connection icon in your browser before entering any login details. Once you're on your Wise dashboard, look for the option labeled Get Paid. This is usually found in the main navigation area near the top of the page, alongside other options like sending money or viewing your balances. Click on the Get Paid dropdown. This section is designed specifically for situations where you want someone else to send money to you, so everything you need will be grouped right there. From the dropdown, click on Share Payment Link. This is the feature Wise provides to make asking for money easier and more professional. Instead of sending bank details back and forth, you generate a link that the other person can use to complete the payment. When you select this option, Wise will start walking you through setting up that link. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to pay, or in other words, what payment method will be used for the transfer. Even though you're requesting money, Wise may still need to know which methods are involved, especially if the payment link or transfer setup depends on the type of bank account or card being used. Carefully review the options that appear on the screen. These may vary depending on your country and account settings. Select the method that best fits how the person paying you will send the funds. This helps avoid any confusion later. After choosing the payment method, click on Continue to Payment. This doesn't charge anything yet, it simply moves you to the next stage of setting up the request. On this screen, you might see a summary of the transfer, including any fees, the currencies involved, and the estimated arrival time once the money is sent. And when you're ready to proceed, click Continue again. Think of this as confirming that all the basic details look correct. Take a moment here to quickly scan the information on the page, especially the amounts and currencies, so you're confident everything is accurate before you share the details with the person who will be paying you. Wise will then show you a section called Details You'll Need to Make This Transfer, or something very similar. And these are the crucial details the payer needs. This can include things like reference information or bank details generated by Wise for this particular transfer. And carefully copy these details. You can usually do this either by selecting the text and copying it, or if available, by clicking a copy icon next to each field. You'll share this information or the link with the person who's sending you the money, so make sure you paste it somewhere safe and clear, like in a message or email to them. Once they've used those details and completed the bank transfer on their side, return to Wise and click I've made my bank transfer. This tells Wise that